Hello everyone, welcome to my channel The Knowledge Session. Today I am showing you how to do top up in AI marketing from TRC20. So this is my ID, okay, and we go to top up. So we have option of select method and sales. So how much I want to top up in this ID. So now you can see here your cashback is 111.45 and whatever pending 249 and at balance you can see $0. Okay, so now we go to select method. We select method USDT Tron TRC20. So USDT from TRC20 we select this method and in sales I am uploading 500 USD. Okay, so now we click on pay. After click on pay, we have option of amount 500 TRC20 in USD and this is a wallet deposit address. So here I am depositing 500 USD. So copy this address. So you can see copy to clipboard. Now I have a Binance ID and you can see I have available 513 USDT here. Okay, so minimum withdraw we can do $10. So here I am selecting the method. You can see here TRC20 Tron TRC20, which is very lowest charge 1 USDT. So now you can see why we are doing TRC20 first. This is the question. So why we are doing TRC20? From TRC20 there is a very minimum charges, or you can say low charges. So that's why we are use TRC20. Okay. So here I have 513 USD and I copied this address already. Here I'm pasting this address. Okay. Network selection from withdrawal. So so you can see here TRC20. Okay, this is my withdrawal address. We can check it. TSXB. So you can see TSXB and last is 4XKSUJ. 4XKSUJ. Okay, so here I write 501 for 500 USD because charges is 1 USDT. Okay, now you can see 500 USDT sent. Withdrawal. Click on withdrawal. Okay, now click on continue. So I have some codes. So now click on submit. Now you can see here awaiting approval. Your withdrawal request is being reviewed and will take approximately 12 hours. You can view this status of your withdrawal request in the withdrawal history page. Click on complete. Then go to your website. Now click on update. Okay, after click on update, after 3 to 5 minutes you can see here amount received will be 500 TRC20 USD, and your status is showing now waiting. It will show you success when 500 received. So wait for 2 to 5 minutes. It will take 2 to 5 minutes and you can see your balance in your account at balance. Okay, so we will wait for 2-3 minutes. Now you can see here amount received 500 TRC20 USD and the status is showing now success. Now again click on update. Error get it already logged out, so wait. Again I am logging this ID. Now you can see here add balance with $500. You can see now. So $500 received within 5 minutes. So now you can you see how to top up with TRC20. It is very easy process and with very less charges. So thanks to watching my video, and please like, share and subscribe.